On a fateful day in the summer of 1886, a small shed nestled in the heart of Vancouver held within it the spark that would ignite a devastating inferno. The wooden structures of the growing city stood vulnerable in the dry heat, unaware of the catastrophe that was about to unfold. As the clock ticked, fate conspired against Vancouver. Flames erupted from the shed, greedily consuming its flammable surroundings. The fire's fierce appetite quickly transformed it into an unstoppable force, leaping from building to building with an intensity that sent shockwaves through the hearts of its residents. Panic gripped the streets as people realized the magnitude of the catastrophe. Citizens, firefighters, and even bystanders joined forces, desperately attempting to halt the advance of the inferno. However, their valiant efforts were no match for the voracious flames, propelled by relentless winds. The fire raged on, swallowing up the heart of Vancouver. The once thriving business district, adorned with wooden structures that had once symbolized progress, now crumbled and succumbed to the fiery wrath. The crackling of timber echoed through the streets, drowning out the anguished cries of those witnessing the destruction of their livelihoods. The lack of fire prevention infrastructure became painfully evident. Vancouver's fledgling fire department, ill-equipped and understaffed, fought tirelessly against insurmountable odds. Desperation filled their hearts as they wrestled with the flames, a battle they knew they could not win alone. As the sun began to set on that catastrophic day, the city faded into a smoldering wasteland. The magnitude of the destruction was staggering. Nearly 1,000 buildings, a testament to the dreams and aspirations of the city's inhabitants, now lay in ruins. Amidst the ashes and despair, hope flickered like an ember. Vancouver faced a daunting task, to rise from the ruins and rebuild a city that could withstand the flames. It was a turning point, a chance to reimagine the urban landscape and implement measures that would prevent such devastation in the future. The rebuilding process commenced, marked by new building codes and a commitment to fire safety. Vancouver embraced sturdy materials such as bricks and stone, learning from the painful lessons of the past. The city's skyline slowly transformed, rising from the ashes as a testament to resilience and innovation. Vancouver emerged from the ashes stronger and more prepared than ever before. The scars of the fire remained, etched in the memories of those who had witnessed the city's darkest hour. Yet, they also served as a reminder of the indomitable spirit of its inhabitants, who had united in the face of adversity. Today, as we gaze upon the vibrant city of Vancouver, it stands as a testament to human resilience and the power of unity. The Great Vancouver Fire of 1886 shaped the destiny of this metropolis, transforming it into a beacon of strength and innovation. Let us remember the sacrifices made, the lessons learned, and honor the spirit of those who helped Vancouver rise from the ashes and become the remarkable city it is today. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Twitter and Facebook. Click the box on the left for more historical events.